Look no further than the 2017 Lincoln MKZ. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a powerful, refined MKZ that has everything you need to make your daily drive feel exceptionally comfortable and secure. From its refined cabin to its premium audio system to its driver assist technology, this four-door sedan infuses every journey with confidence and style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, remote engine start, power passenger seat, keyless start, active suspension, heated mirrors, heated front seat, power driver seat. You deserve the luxury and security this elegant MKZ has to offer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.